Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my video. So I'm stuck at the laundromat right now. Um, so I went to the laundromat to do my laundry, came out, spent about an hour and a half in there, did my laundry, came out, tried to start my car up, and I'm just sitting in my car right now. My car's not doing anything. It's not. All the electricity in here seems to work. No problems with that. I mean, my radio came on. Well, it was on. My AC came on. You know, all the lights on my dash came on like normal. And I try to start it and nothing. I hear like a click, but nothing else happens. So I was like, maybe, you know what? It's probably the battery. Maybe I left something on and the battery's dead. So I'm like, I turn the lights on, the headlights on. I go outside, take a look at the beams to see whether they're bright or not, and they're pretty bright. So I'm like, probably not the battery. I can't be 100% sure of that. So I had this battery pack that I bought from Walmart. I forget how much it cost, but around $50 or something like that. And I tried to jump it. It's like fully charged. I tried to jump it with that pack, and I still get nothing. I got nothing. So I had somebody help me out with a jump. I asked somebody to help jump my car, hoping that, you know, crossing my finger, maybe the battery pack wasn't strong enough. So I had somebody, you know, hook up. I got cables in the back, hook it up. I tried to start it. I still hear nothing. It was like a click, nothing. Same situation. All the lights are on. You know, everything works, nothing. So I'm like, maybe there's got to be something else besides the battery, because, you know, I just jumped it twice, tried to jump it twice, nothing happens. So like, maybe it's the alternator. Probably isn't the alternator. I know it's not the alternator because I had that swapped out a while, you know, fairly recently, like a year and a half ago. I only put in like around 15,000 miles on my car since. But if it was the alternator, the engine would be running, my car would be, you know, on the road or something like that, and it would die on the road. And then, but once I put the, you know, the battery pack, or when I try to jump it, it should actually just jump. I mean, it should actually just crank over. I should hear a crank or something like that if it's the alternator. So it's not that. So I'm thinking to myself, what else could it be besides those things? And I'm like, all right, so easy fixes. That's what I want from the situation. That's what I wanted from the situation anyway, easy fixes. So like, okay, it's the relay. Maybe I could like swap out a relay or something like that. And I realize I'm hearing a click every time I try to turn on, I hear a click. So like, it can't be the relay at that point, considering, you know, the relay actually relays electricity to the solenoid, to the starter. Right? It relays the solenoid, the electricity from the solenoid to the starter. If you're hearing that click, it's actually the solenoid that's clicking, but the starter is not initiating, the motor is not initiating. So I'm like, gotta rule that out. Maybe it's a fuse. Could be a fuse. I mean, possible. But I have no way to test that out, and I don't think it is, because, well, let's just say I know a couple of things about fuses. It's not the main fuse on the car. I know because my electricity, all the lights are working, so I could rule out there being a main fuse that's blown. I mean, it could be some other fuse that's blown, but if I thought about it, I did think about it enough. I'm like, I mean, there's only a couple of situations where I've had fuse issues that had caused my car not to start. One of those things would be, you know, like I said, the main fuse being blown, no electricity in the car. Swap that out, you get the car started. The other situation would be, you know, with my car cranked but just wouldn't turn over. That could be a fuse situation. That could be a lot of other situations. That could be a fuse situation. But at this point, I mean, I can't test any of that stuff out because I don't have a fuse tester on me, but I doubt it is the fuse. I've had issues with starters in the past with other cars that I've had, and this sounds exactly like that situation. My car's been parked off. I go and start the car, you know, try to turn on, and all I hear is a click. Everything else seems to work. At this point, I'm thinking to myself, all right, so this is going to be a big situation. Well, big, you know, it's not like the worst situation in the world, but it's, you know, I'm stuck here until I get a tow at this point. But I'll keep you guys updated. Hey guys, so yeah, so it turned out that it was the starter. So it was the starter. I did do some testing on the fuses, and it wasn't the fuse. It wasn't any of the fuses. I did, you know, when I got it towed back home, I did use a crowbar to try to bump the starter. It didn't work, and I did actually put a line to one of the terminals on a solenoid just to see if I could actually get it to work directly from the battery. Unfortunately, that didn't do anything, so I had to swap the starter out. It was the starter that was doing it. Went to AutoZone, bought a rebuilt starter, popped it in. The car is cranking up every single time now, so I'm hoping that rebuilt starter holds up. Probably will, but we'll see. All right, guys. You guys have any comments? Please leave your comments. Any questions? Please leave questions, comments, etc., etc. Please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe, guys. All right.